How to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today we'll discuss about how to use the operator and or and negation in JavaScript. For this I created this function and we will explain step by step gradually how it works. Let me firstly to discuss about each operator. The first operation is AND. You see the sign for AND is this, and when you use this operator, all condition from function should to be true. When you use OR, just once should to be true, and when you use negation, just negate the value. Okay, I have here a function with two parameters. Function can enter club with two parameters. Why I create this function? I create this function because for a person who want to enter in the club and should to pass certain condition. First condition is to have more or equal old with 18 and to possess an ID, no? Because you see here I put has ID equal true. I have 3 equal because is strict equal. That means I check the value and the type. Okay, if all those are true, you have over 18 and you have an ID is true, my console will display this. You can enter the club, and if are under 18 or has ID equal false, will display console you cannot enter the club because you are and you will see your age. Here I calling the function with two example. In the first example I call function can enter club with 19 and in the second with 17, and should to put again for the second parameter, because when you create a function with parameter, don't forget when you call the function to put the same number like parameter in the same order. Or I have first age and after has ID and for parameters, but when I call the function I have just one argument and should to have two arguments in the same order. I have in first I have age 19 and separated by comma I put age has ID is second parameter. I put true, have ID, no, has ID, this person has ID, and for this I doesn't matter if I put true or false because it's under 18. Okay, let execute the code. In the first we have you can enter the club now because I have 19 and condition I pass this condition, and also I pass the second condition has ID equals strict true. You can enter the club because you are 19 old and you have an ID. And retain keep in your mind that this and should to use and on when all conditions are true. Or here with this 19 and true, all conditions are true now because I have here over 18 and I have an ID. Let me to put here another parameter for a good understanding. I put here another parameter. Let's see, is VIP, or I don't know, is special event, is special event. Okay, and in condition should to modify this function. if age is more or equal to 18 and has id equal true, and one more time, is special event, no, also equal strict true, display this. Yes, you cannot enter the club because you are 19, because that happens because I didn't put the third argument when I call the function, and I have here can enter club 19 true, and is special event, yes, is true, is special event for this, and here is false. You can enter the club because you are 19 old and you have an ID. Correct. Okay. Keep in your mind, retain when all conditions are true, you can use and. You can use and. You see here I use and one, and again here twice. Okay, but I want to use now. I want to use or operator. I want to use or operator, and let me to show you how to do this. Let me to modify this. I will delete this condition, and I write if is special event strictly equal true, and I use and, but now I put another condition between parentheses, age greater 21 and has ID equal false. What I have here, I have this condition inside of if with operator. I have a special event that should be true, and also I have a second condition, age is is greater 21 or has ID or don't have ID, no, it's false. Here is special event should to be true, but inside that just one should to be true because I use this or. And now let me to call this is special event true. I have true, this is special event is the third parameter and should to be third argument. Okay, and age is more 21, let me to put 34, and has ID equal false. Has ID I have true. Let in this way, because here just one should to be true. Why? Because I have or. And now I will execute. You can enter the club because you are 30 old and you have an ID. Now You see here, this is the result. Don't forget that you can compound this operator. You can combine this operator. For example, I combine an and inside this I combine with operator or. No, if I delete this and I let just if age greater 20 and has ID equal false, probably I will receive the same. I have here just one. For this should be true, and here I have an issue, I have a problem, because when I use or, just one should to be true, or now the output is this. You can enter, and I have 17 and I can enter. Why? Because has ID probably is false for here. Yes, has ID is false. You see here, has ID, I have false, and for this should to put this on true, and now it's okay. You cannot enter the club because you are 70 years old, and in first instance you can enter. Also, you can combine, you can put how many or do you want. No, age is greater 21, has ID equal false, or sorry this, or more also operator. Okay, I delete this and I use now negation to negate this special event or has ID if this person don't have ID. No, if person don't have ID, you can't enter because you don't have an ID. You can't second. I don't need this. Without parameters probably doesn't work. You can enter the club because you don't have an ID. You see here working because they're around this part of code. Okay, but if I put here true, I possess an ID. Let's see what happened. True is not defined. A if an age is not defined. Okay, no problem, I will delete this. You cannot enter the club because you are old. I have in the first instance. You can enter the club because you don't have an ID. Is this? And here should be without parameter because I have here in condition. Okay, that was all for today. I hope you understand how to work with these operators. Have a nice day, and don't forget to practice in each day if you want to learn and if you want to approfundate this language programming. All the best. Have a nice day.